Hello and welcome back to the How to Geek Studios. I'm your host Grizz, and today we'll be unboxing the HyperX Vision S Webcam. If you're a content creator, streamer, or quality video geek like me, you're in for a treat. As we crack open the box, let's talk about some features. The HyperX Vision S offers 4K video capture at 30 frames per second and 1080p at a silky smooth 60 frames per second. With its 8-megapixel Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor, it's a camera built for creators looking for quality. The webcam itself seems really well built and sturdy, with a scratch-resistant 5G 2P lens and an aluminum body. This thing's got some heft to it. It also has a handy magnetic lens cap for privacy and peace of mind, and it's equipped with a mounting bracket with a swivel and tilt adjustments to get that perfect shot every time. Also in the box, we've got a durable USB A to C braided cable, along with the quick start guide for getting it up and running in no time. The HyperX Vision S offers a 90-degree field of view, perfect for capturing more of your surroundings. It also boasts responsive autofocus to keep you in sharp focus even when things get up close and personal. The HyperX Vision S is compatible with both PC and Mac systems and plays nicely with popular platforms like Teams, Zoom, OBS, and Discord. So there you have it, folks, the HyperX Vision S Webcam. For a full performance assessment, check out our detailed review. And don't forget to subscribe to the How to Geek newsletter for all the latest tech trends and reviews. For How to Geek, this is Grizz, signing off.